Alright, so I know I haven't made another Cebuano video for a while, but this one's going to be a really quick one because I want to introduce how to express north, neither nor, right? So with the either or conjunction, we have an opposite, a negative form, which is neither nor. The negative is neither nor, right? The positive or the affirmative is the either or. So the first sentence is just a review, really, really easy stuff, right? Si Ria o ako ang magadto. That's it. Really easy. Either Ria or I are the one to go or will go, right? Either Ria or I or Ria or I. That's why you can translate this all into either or, right? Either Ria or I or Ria or I are the one to go. Ang bagong baseng militar o laing opisina sa gobyerno, right? Easy again. Either a new military base or a different government office, or again, just plain and simple, a new military base or a different government office. You can have either there or there. It's same again. It's just how it is, and the context will tell you how. Yeah, I guess how it will be translated to the new thing. Let's move on to the new thing though. Ni happens when you have a negative form, okay? So this first sentence, sukad niya to, wala gyud sa nakigistorya, ni nakatawa ganimo. And you have to have a negative there, right? This ni is telling us that there's a negative, wala. So since then, she hasn't conversed nor called you or haven't been calling you, right? And again, that ni is that nor. She hasn't been conversing nor calling you. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I have to double check myself here. Sugad niya to, wala gyud siya nakigistorya ni nakatawag kanimo. So since then, she hasn't been conversing or I guess talking in a way, conversing nor calling you. And the wala is telling us that this is the negative for the ni, neither or nor in that sense. But in the last sentence that we have, right, you can see how you can translate it as either neither or neither nor or nor. Okay? Wa ko'y labot kung unsay mahitabo, ni wala ko nagkita sa mga drama-drama nila. Okay, wow. It's like, I just really don't care. But for this clause here, wa ko'y labot kung unsay mahitabo, it's like, I don't care what's gonna happen, nor, or neither do I care, or neither do I want to see, or neither have I seen, right? Nor, or neither have I seen their dramas. So, ni wala ko nakita sa mga drama-drama nila, right? Oh, nor do I care about their stupid drama, whatever, right? Or neither do I care about that either. So that's why you can see how it's translate to either neither nor or just nor, right? Same thing. It just gives you the context of neither or neither nor. And the affirmative is either or either or. Really, really simple, really, really easy stuff. All right, go out there and use it.